We're back in the workshop this week and we are swapping 4 cylinders for 6. We're swapping JDM for British and turbos for superchargers. Any early guesses? Welcome back to the workshop, and we have removed the Hondas and replaced with a 2023 Lotus Emira V6. Now, let you into a little secret. This is my own personal car that I've had for the past 3 years, and it has just dropped out of warranty, so now we can start modifying it. So changing brands and moving over to Lotus, the ownership experience hasn't quite been as forgiving as it could have been. The car actually broke down on the drive home. I could make a book up about this. But it didn't actually stop there either. It's had a few warranty issues, but they're now addressed. It's all in the past, and it's time to move on to the modifications. This week, we're going to be installing what we have labelled as the soundtrack pack. To complement the already great driving Lotus Emira, we're bringing it to life with a little bit more sound. So we're going to be installing a Milltek third Decat. We're going to be installing the Eventuri intake and the Milltek sound controller. These are all British built products complementing the British car. Before we start unboxing, let's take a listen to how the Emira sounds with the stock exhaust and the stock intake. Now that we've got our soundtrack pack installed, we've run the car on the dyno and we had minimal gains, although gains are gains nonetheless. So let's get the car out on the road and see how it really sounds. You'll agree the Supercharged wine sounds absolutely fantastic thanks to the Eventuri intake. The car has been brought to life with a Milltek Decat pipe, making it sound more exotic than it has the right to do. We are super impressed with this kit. But let me tell you the best bit about the Milltek sound controller. We have 3 options here of how to control the sound. So firstly, we can have the valve fully open, so on cold start you can get that deep rumble. We can have it to fully closed, so when you're sneaking home late at night or you don't want to wake the kids up. Or we can go back to the drive modes and it follows the drive mode as it would do from OEM. It's one thing having truly exceptional, great quality parts, although when you bring them together and they combine in the way they have done today, it makes for an exceptional drive. Head over to our website where you can pick up your Lotus Emira soundtrack pack, where we have options for installation as well as supply only, and many other Lotus Emira parts, all available to purchase on our web store. As much as I've enjoyed owning the Emira over the past 3 years and made some very fond memories in the car, it is now time for it to depart. I've purchased its replacement and it's sitting just outside. I'll put a little teaser up now. Thanks for watching. Remember, hit the like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.